Today we'll be showing you how to operate the Launderboss crimp taps. As you'll see here, there is an open channel on one end, there is a back channel with an open side, and a closed side. Place the open end of the channel onto the wire. Rotate it around so that it moves freely. Place the wire you are crimping into the back end on the open side. Make sure it does not go through. You may want to hold it like so. Place your pliers onto the crimp tap and squeeze. Give the wire a tug to make sure it's secure and ensure that the plate is flush with the plastic.